Here is the newest Nomatic wallet for the iPhone. I'm using this on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I just want to give you a good overview of how how that wallet will look on this particular phone. I've also tried it on my wife's phone. She has an iPhone 16 or iPhone 15 Pro. But we're not going to watch that in this video. We're just going to watch this unboxing here. And as you can see, this is what it comes inside of. We have this little pull tab. So I'm just going to pull on it just to lift it out of this box here. Nothing else inside of there. You can see it's nice leather, or at least it feels like leather. I haven't really looked at the details. This was on Kickstarter when I purchased it, and it just arrived today. So I'm doing the unboxing here now. There's a little arrow here that points up. It comes with 2 cards inside of it. So we can see here we got this one card and then this other card here on the other opposite side. And I think I didn't notice it until later that there were 2 kind of sides to it. I thought when you pulled on the pull tab, it was just going to give you, just all the cards at once. I kind of like this little feel here where it's, giving you 1 card on each side. And as you can see there, we got the part where your finger goes in as well. So when you put your card inside, this is what it looks like. This is just with 1 card here coming in from the bottom. I haven't really decided which card to put in on the bottom, because that's going to be obviously your main card that you have when you're using the pull tab. So when you're using that, it's going to come out and the other cards are sitting there at the top. So whichever your main card is, you might want to have it ready to go at the bottom there for that pull tab. And the other card goes behind that pull tab card, just like that. And that's just with 2 cards right now. It feels pretty firm. I think even 1 card you could probably get away with. So if you only go around with 1 card, but I think at minimum you need like a driver's license and maybe a credit card, or a driver's license and something else, business card even. But if it's just for business cards, you're not going to get much. And right here you can see how it fits on the wallet. Now when I throw it on the wallet here, it's not automatically aligned, but there's definitely a bottom magnet. It feels like it because something's snapping right here. And it's very strong. I don't have any problems with that. And I'm using the Arc Pulse case, but it's pretty strong. I think the cards fit nice and snugly in there. The magnet is reasonably strong. It's not too strong. It's not too loose. There's no way to obviously just throw it on there and it snaps. So that's what I was giving it a shot at as well. Here's what it looks like. You can see how deep it is, or what the depth looks like from the side view, the bottom view here. All right, this is the finger tab. This is where you will put your finger in. And as you can see, when you put your finger in, it's interesting. It's not like the best. That loop can definitely get a little twisted there, or get a little snagged up on your finger, I mean. But you see, when I put my finger in right here, it also pulls the card out because it needs that space. So if you got a big finger, then that means the lower the card goes. So keep that in mind when you are using that finger tab. I have used the finger tab, tested it out on there. I think it's pretty good, as far as keeping the phone. I mean, you still got to grip the phone, but it's just something else to hold on to if you want to, where you don't want to use your pinky if you got to put it at the bottom of the phone, especially these bigger phones. Yeah, you do got to organize the cards a little bit. Like, so when you put the cards in there, you might have to just move it around. Here's my current wallet that I use. This is just something off of Amazon. And it has a pull tab on here as well. So it kind of has a card in there. I put about 4 or 5 cards inside of this wallet. Along it also has the driver's license space, so it has the photo image on there. So this is what it's like with 3 cards. Just going to put that other card in the back. There's something that gets snagged on whenever I'm putting another back card in. So it's not like a smooth positioning when you put that back card on inside of there. So I'm going to put 2 in the back here and put the business card here in the front. And they fit pretty snug. I'd probably leave it at 3 cards based on how this feels right here. And I think having the business card as a primary card might be a good one if you're consulting, you're in business or whatnot. You probably want to have that main business card. Could be your driver's license, could be your credit card as well. To be honest, I haven't really decided. I might put this card here as well as a primary card, because this is something I'm realistically using at restaurants. If I'm actually ordering anything, I need to get to that card pretty quickly. or make a checkout. That's if they don't have Apple Pay, of course. But if you have Apple Pay or Tap to Pay, it's not a big deal. But if not, then you need to use your wallet, then this is a great alternative. And that's with 4 cards. I think the 4 cards, 3 cards, I feel like this fits well. But now at this 4th card in here, this is a little too snug for me. I will definitely not be using 4 cards. If you have to use 4 cards, clearly you can get away with it, as you can see here. But I would probably try to put all 3 cards in the back and then 1 card as the primary card. That way those 3 cards are just there in case you need them. But having 2 and 2, that's not really working here. So 3 cards is where I'm going to be. Like I said, unless there's a 4th card, maybe at a hotel, you got a hotel card and you might need to throw that extra card in there. If you're on a cruise or, like I said, in a hotel, then you could easily use it.